Article 212. This refers to an employee who is vested with the powers or prerogatives to lay down and execute management policies and/or to hire, transfer, suspend, lay off, recall, discharge, assign or discipline employees. A. Managerial employee. B. Supervisory employee. C. Rank and file employee. The answer is managerial employee. 2. Article 212. This refers to an employee who, in the interest of the employer, effectively recommends managerial actions if the exercise of such authority is not merely routinary or clerical in nature but requires the use of independent judgment. A. Managerial employee. B. Supervisory employee. C. Rank and file employee. The answer is B. Supervisory employee. 3. Article 212. This refers to any temporary stoppage of work by the concerted action of employees as a result of an industrial or labor dispute. A. Lockout. B. Dispute. C. Strike. The answer is C. Strike. 4. Article 212. This refers to any temporary refusal of an employer to furnish work as a result of an industrial or labor dispute. A. Lockout. B. Dispute. C. Strike. The answer is lockout. 5. Article 212. This refers to any person who obstructs, impedes, or interferes with by force, violence, coercion, threats, or intimidation any peaceful picketing affecting wages, hours or conditions of work or in the exercise of the right of self-organization or collective bargaining. A. Union organizer. B. Strikebreaker. C. Labor enforcer. The answer is B. Strikebreaker. 6. Article 212. The establishment, warehouses, depots, plants or offices, including the sites or premises used as runaway shops, of the employer struck against, as well as the immediate vicinity actually used by picketing strikers, in moving to and fro before all points of entrance to and exit from said establishment. A. Union platform. B. Strike area. C. Workplace. The answer is B. Strike area. 7. Article 223. Decisions, awards, or orders of the labor arbiter are final and executory, unless appealed to the National Labor Relations Commission by any or both parties within how many days? A. 30 days. B. 10 calendar days. C. 10 working days. D. 5 days. The answer is B. 10 calendar days. 8. Article 226. How many days does the Bureau of Labor Relations have to act on labor cases? A. 15 working days. B. 15 calendar days. C. 30 days. D. 5 days. The answer is 15 working days. 9. Article 234. How much is the fee to obtain a certificate of registration for labor organizations? A. 50,000 pesos. B. 5,000 pesos. C. 500 pesos. D. 50 pesos. The answer is D. 50 pesos. 10. Article 241. What are the qualifications for labor union officers? A. At least 35 years old. B. College graduate. C. Employed for at least 5 years. D. All of the above. E. No requirement other than for the employee to be in good standing in the organization. The answer is E. No requirement other than for the employee to be in good standing in the organization. 11. Article 241. Is a person convicted of crime eligible for election as a union officer or for appointment to any position in the union? A. Yes. B. No. The answer is B. No. 12. Article 245. Are managerial employees eligible to join, assist, or form labor organizations? A. Yes. B. No. The answer is B. No. 13. Article 245. Supervisory employees shall not be eligible for membership in a labor organization of rank and file employees but may join, assist or form separate labor organizations of their own. A. True. B. False. The answer is B. False. 14. Article 264. What happens when an employer is proven to have unlawfully terminated an employee as a consequence of a lockout? A. The employer is required to pay the employee 100,000 pesos. B. The employee is entitled to a reinstatement with full back wages. C. The employee is granted early retirement benefits. The answer is B. The employee is entitled to a reinstatement with full back wages. 15. Article 264. What happens to a union officer who knowingly participates in an illegal strike and knowingly participates in the commission of illegal acts during a strike? A. He faces imprisonment of 1 year. B. Automatic termination of his employment. C. He suffers a 50% salary deduction. The answer is B. Automatic termination of his employment. 16. Article 264. Are employers allowed to use strikebreakers? A. Yes. B. No. The answer is B. No. 17. Article 264. When is it permissible to arrest union members or union organizers? A. In the case of commission of crime. B. On grounds of national security and public peace. C. Both A and B. D. When the strike has lasted more than 24 hours. The answer is C. Both A and B. 18. Article 269. Are foreign workers allowed to join union activities? A. Foreign workers are never allowed to engage in union activities. B. They are allowed to join union activities provided they have permits and their country of origins permits Filipino workers to join unions. The answer is B. 19. Article 272. What penalty awaits a foreign worker who violates the provisions pertaining to labor unions? A. 100,000 peso fine. B. Imprisonment of 6 months. C. Immediate deportation. D. All of the above. The answer is C. Immediate deportation.